Hey guys, today we're gonna make the most amazing hummus. And to do that, you have to start from scratch. We're gonna soak some chickpeas in water overnight. Soak them with a teaspoon of baking soda and leave them for 24 hours. For each cup of chickpeas, you're gonna need 2 cups of water. "24 hours later, I'm gonna wash them, drain them, and add another teaspoon of baking soda and boil. Cook them for half an hour and they'll be very soft and ready to work with. I skim any extra white stuff, and this is the outcome of 15 minutes later. It's gonna be so soft, and the baking soda will help achieve a very smooth hummus. So if you wait the 24 hours and add the baking soda while soaking and while cooking, you're gonna get a very smooth hummus. We roast our poblano over the stove. We char it on all sides and we let it cool a little bit, and then we peel it, chop it finely, and set it aside. So for the amount of 1 cup of dried garbanzo beans that I soaked and cooked and drained, I make sure to let it cool completely. Now I add to the food processor with half clove of garlic. It turned out very smooth. I'm gonna move it to a bowl and I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. And that includes some salt, some cumin, 2 tablespoons of tahini, some lemon juice, and the chopped, peeled, roasted poblano pepper. Add a touch of paprika or cayenne pepper and your amazing hummus is ready. You can serve it with a little bit of olive oil. Keep it vegetarian the way it is, or you can roast some almonds and some filet mignon and add it on top of your hummus for a fancier meal, and serve with pita bread, pickles, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, bon appétit!